This video shows how to use the Barracuda data loader with Tecplot for Barracuda. CPFD software has developed this tool to allow Tecplot for Barracuda to analyze the data output by the software. We begin in Tecplot for Barracuda by navigating to the File menu and clicking Load Barracuda Data. Here you will see four options. Let's first look at Load Data File. Load Data File allows Tecplot to open up any of the plain text data output by the software. Examples of this include raw data, data points, data planes, or any of the log files. For example, let's look at the history.log. As you can see, the data has been successfully loaded and presented by default as the second column versus the first column. For more information on how to manipulate and choose what data is presented, please consult our other videos on plotting XY data in Tecplot for Barracuda. Next, we will look at Load 3D Dataset. This allows us to look at the visualization files output specifically for Tecplot. These files end in .plt, and opening any one of them, either the cell or particle data, will give you access to all the values and all the data for the simulation. Here, any of the visualization data options that we had selected before running the simulation will now be available to us. For example, cell fluid temperature in this case. Next, we look at the button called Rescan All Data. This button will update the data for Tecplot to use. By default, Tecplot will not continuously update for a running simulation. If new data is produced by the solver, the only way to load it into Tecplot is to click the Rescan All Data button. Finally, there's the Load Layout option. Any previously saved layout files can be used using this feature. This includes both 2D and 3D layouts. This concludes our video on using the Barracuda data loader for Tecplot for Barracuda.